Hi everyone, hope everyone is fit, healthy, and fine. Welcome back to Shine. Today we are going to discuss on a new topic that is the allopathic system of medicines. Allopathic system of medicines is one of the widely used system of medicines not only across India but also across the whole globe. This system of medicine is known as the modern system of medicine, which is based on science, and it is one of the fastest acting system of medicines in treatment of any disease in human being. This system of medicine got its name from Greek words that were allos and pathos. Allo means the different and pathos means the suffering or the disease. So, what's the principle behind this system of medicine? The principle behind this system of medicine is that the substances which are when produced inside the body, they produces the reaction or the symptoms different or other than the symptoms which are produced by the disease. In this way, they act in the treatment of a disease. And this system of medicine most of the times works on the principle of combination. Means whenever a drug is given to a patient, suppose a patient is suffering from fever, this medicine system will not only act on curing the symptom of fever, but it will also act on the cause of the elevated temperature, which causes the elevation of the temperature in the body. For example, the antibacterial action. Sometimes the bacterial infection also causes the elevation of the temperature in humans. So these drugs they act in combination and they treat both the bacterial infection and the elevated temperature, which we in general terms says fever. What's the history behind this system of medicine? Well, this system of medicine got its recognition in the 19th century in the Europe and in America. The homeopaths used to term this system of medicine as allopathy. They used to say that this system of medicine is heroic in nature as it's producing different effects which are completely different from what they were studying in homeopathy, but yet they were treating the disease in a very fast manner as compared to homeopathy system of medicine. At that period of time, they didn't know the exact mechanism of action of this system of medicines. That's why they termed this system of medicine as the heroic system of medicine or the heroic medicines. With the entry of Britishers, this system of medicine came to India and it took its place in the deep roots of Indian system of medicine. Now, what are the classification or what are the different types of medicines which can be classified under this category of medicine? Well, this system of medicine can be divided into three parts that are the prescribed medicines, second one non-prescribed medicines, and the third one is the orphan drugs or the orphan medicines. The first category is the prescribed drugs. These drugs are purchased from pharmacy against the prescription which is provided by a registered physician to the patient. This category of drugs includes mostly the antibiotics, for example, amoxicillin. These drugs can't be purchased without the prescription as they are kept under the Schedule H of Drugs and Cosmetics Rules 1945 in India. The second category of the drug is the non-prescribed drugs. These drugs can be purchased from the pharmacy without any requirement of the prescriptions. These drugs are called as the over-the-counter drugs. For example, drugs which have antibiotic actions like paracetamol, they can be given without any requirement of the prescription. The third category of the drug is the orphan drugs. These are the drugs which are used on patient in a very rare condition or for any rare disease. This kind of disease happens to one person in million or two-person in million. So that's why these drugs are called as the orphan drugs. Now, why does this system is preferred more over the other system of medicines like Ayurveda, Siddha, Homeopathy, Unani, or any other system of medicine? Well, the simple reason behind is everyone wants to get cured faster. Yes, this system of medicine acts really very fast in treating any kind of disease. This system of medicines have lots of research, and basically this system of medicine is called as the science-based system of medicines because a lot of research is done before introducing any medicine in this system of medicine. Like different kind of clinical trials, there are 4 stages they are performed before producing any kind of medicine in the market. And this system of medicine have different APIs which have a different mechanism of action, and that's why any patient or any disease is treated very fastly, because whenever this system of medicine is introduced in the body, it directly goes to that particularly targeted area where the infection or the disease has happened. That's why the system of medicine is preferred more over any other system of medicine. Now, some interesting facts regarding this system of medicine. Number 1. This system of medicine was coined by the scientist Samuel Hahnemann. He is the same scientist who gave the principle and definition of the modern homeopathy. Number 2. This system of medicine can work in combination, means more than one drug can be given to the patient for the faster recovery. Number 3. This system of medicine can be used in different routes, means the drug can be administered to the patient by different routes depending on the condition of the patient, means it does not depend only on the oral route. It can be given by a parenteral route, by transdermal route, or any other route. It totally depends upon the condition of the patient and other factors like age and the severity of the case. Number 4. In this system of medicine, one medicine can act different roles. For example, paracetamol. Paracetamol can act as antipyretic. It can also act as the anti-inflammatory. Means while treating the fever, means which is the elevated temperature, it can also act as the anti-inflammatory. Means it can reduce inflammations. So up to this, these were some interesting facts regarding this system of medicines. Now let's have a recap. In this system or in this video, we came to know across the principle behind the allopathy, why this system got spreaded so widely, then what's the difference between this system and the other system of medicines, then what are the interesting facts regarding this system of medicines. If you liked my content, then do like, subscribe, and share this video. And for more videos like this, stay tuned to my channel, that is Shine2109. For any doubts or any query, you can comment down or you can contact me on my Instagram ID. The link of the ID is given below. Thank you.